Hi, I'm Brad Moon for Best Buy Canada's blog. Today I'm looking at the RT81, a turntable from Canadian speaker manufacturer Fluance. This model is positioned at the upper end of the entry level. The RT81 is a 2-speed belt drive model. You can see the rubber belt here beneath the cast aluminum platter. The body, or the plinth of this turntable, is solid audio-grade MDF, covered with a very high-gloss walnut finish. When you see it, this is a very striking piece of equipment. Now that MDF plinth, the aluminum platter, the isolation feet you can see, and an included rubber mat work together to isolate the cartridge from vibrations. That gives you better audio and helps to prevent the cartridge from skipping. Now I want to focus on the back of the RT81. You'll see gold-plated audio outputs with a phono line switch, and that's a very important thing. Flip it to line output, and the RT81 amplifies the sound of the record with its built-in preamp. That means that you don't need the hassle and expense of one of these, a preamp, if you want to connect to a stereo that lacks a phono input. And there are an awful lot of standalone speaker systems today that lack that phono input. Of course, it works great with a traditional setup too, but for this feature, I've connected the RT81 to a Wi-Fi speaker's auxiliary input using the line output. Now, I just happen to use the included cable in this case, and my stereo that it's going into has dual inputs. But for 99% of the wireless speakers out there, all you need is a dual RCA jack to 3.5mm cable, and you can plug it right into your auxiliary input. Another of the great features of the RT81 is the Audio-Technica AT95E cartridge that comes pre-installed. This is a well-regarded entry-level cartridge known for its balanced sound. It also offers an easy upgrade path. If you decide to later on, you can replace the stylus and not have to replace the entire cartridge. And now to see the RT81 in action. And by the way, I slipped off the removable hinged cover to make things easier to see. To start off with, you choose the speed, either 33 or 45 RPM. There's a dial at the front here. Lift the tone arm lock. Then make sure the cueing lever is up. Then move the cartridge to the start of the record. This automatically starts the motor. Of course, you're going to want to clean the record first using an anti-static brush. And once everything's good on that front, you lower the cueing level and enjoy. The sound is excellent. If you're moving up to this from one of those all-in-one record players or a basic model, you're going to enjoy the sound that the Fluance RT81 delivers. It really is quite nice. Now, it doesn't offer auto return, but you can set it to stop playing at the end of a record. The Fluance RT81 is a great looking turntable and an affordably priced option if you've outgrown a basic starter record player. It's aimed at budding vinyl collectors and makes an especially great choice if you want to listen to vinyl over wireless, portable, or mini sound systems that lack a phono input. If you're into vinyl, check out the Fluance RT81 and all the other turntables at Best Buy Canada, and make sure to read my detailed review on Best Buy Canada's blog.